Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I present the video Tinkercad circuits about RGB LED with slider switch. Okay, we are using the components 3V 3 volts battery. This is slider switch, resistor and RGB LED. Okay, we have to use this 100 ohm resistor. Okay, let's see this positive of the battery is connected to the common switch. Then this terminal 2 of the switch is connected to one end of the resistor, terminal 1 end of the resistor, and other end of the resistor is connected to the red LED. Then negative of the battery is connected to the common cathode RGB LED. Common cathode RGB LED. Same procedure for another 3 colors, blue and green light. Positive of the battery is connected to the another common switch, and the terminal 2 of the switch is connected to one end of the resistor, and another end of the resistor is connected to blue LED. Next, I use this same switch, common switch, for the green LED, or you can drag this in the positive of the battery, directly in the positive of the battery. This common switch of the positive of the battery is connected to the common switch, and terminal 1 of the switch is connected to one end of the resistor, and the other end of the resistor is connected to the green LED. This is when you switch on the red light, okay, you can see the LED red rays. Then switch off. This is for the blue LED. When you switch on, you can see blue LED. Then switch off. This is for green LED. You can see this. How we connect the negative of the battery to the common cathode. Select the black wire, drag like this, mark like this, and join this in common cathode RGB LED. Now we can see how positive of the battery is connected to the resistor and the LED, red LED. Okay. Next, choose red LED for red wire. Positive of the anode battery is connected to the common of the switch. Then this terminal of the switch connected to one end of the resistor and another end of the resistor is connected to red LED. When you switch on, sorry, you can see red LED was blinking. Okay guys, the components are here. You can drag this and drop in this area. We use 3V batteries. Okay. Okay viewers, now I do the connection. First start with negative of the battery. You can select black wire, drag the line, and connect to the common cathode RGB LED. Next, positive of the battery, you can select the color, wire of the color red for the red LED. Drag this line to the common of the switch. Then terminal 2 of the switch is connected to one end of the resistor. Next, other end of the resistor is connected to the red LED. Same procedure for blue LED. You can select blue wire, drag the line, drag the blue line, blue wire, and connected to the common of the switch, and this is terminal 2. Terminal 2 is connected to one end of the resistor and another end of the resistor is connected to the blue LED like this. Okay viewers, next go to green LED. For this you can select green wire. Now connected to the same procedure, common of the switch, then terminal of the switch is connected to one end of the another resistor, and other end of the resistor is connected to green LED. Okay viewers, now we have to check when we switch the slider of the switch, you can see the LED red or blue or green LED. When you switch on, you can see when you switch on the, you can see this red LED, then switch off, then go to blue LED, switch on, you can see this blue LED, switch off, and then switch on this green LED, you can see this, and then switch off. This is the procedure for RGB LED with slider switch. Okay viewers. Next we have to see what are the components and the symbol and detail of the components. Okay, this is the topic red, green, blue RGB LED. RGB means red, green, blue with slider switch using Tinkercad circuits. These are the components. Name of the components are battery, switch, resistor and LED. We use 3 volts battery. This is the symbol for the battery, and we use slider switch on and off. In that switch there is on and off, there is slider switch. This is the symbol of the slider switch. This is the common switch, terminal 1 and terminal 2. Then third one is resistor. We use 100 ohms. This is the symbol of the resistor, and LED, light emitting diode. This is RGB, red, green, blue. This is the symbol of the LED, light emitting diode. Okay viewers, you can try this. This is a simple procedure. You can try this in this method, and you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Okay, watch it, like and subscribe. Okay, thank you viewers.